Hey guys, welcome to Turquoise Escapes. We are so excited to be announcing our 2026 Turquoise Escape.
Woohoo!
Woo! We have people keep asking us, where are we going? Where are we going? We had so much fun last year. We went to Cancun, 17 people, had a blast, made some amazing memories, and we're gonna do it again. So where are we gonna go? The Caribbean.
Surprise! What a surprise.
It's not Mexico though.
Okay, good.
But we're gonna go late July next year, so you guys can start planning for that. But I don't know. Do we want to tell them yet?
I don't think so.
Okay,
Maybe we
so-
can do something fun to make them involved.
What if we have a competition? How about
That's a
you
great
guys
idea.
guess? How about you guess where you think we're going?
Whoa. There's a lot of places in the Caribbean.
I
How are
know.
they going to guess the right place in the Caribbean?
Well, I'll give some tips. I'll give some
Okay.
hints. But to see that, you got to make sure you're following us so that you see the next post. So I'm going to give you some little hints on the next post about where we're going. Going to tell you some highlights about the island. Might give it away, but that's the whole point, because guess what? If you get it right, you're going to get a $50 gift card.
$50 gift
Yes!
card. I hope you win. But if I beat you, I'm taking the gift card. I'm just kidding. We got to make sure that there are rules in play. So
Yes.
you can only win if you are following Turquoise Escapes on Instagram and on Facebook.
Yes, our private Facebook group. So you have to ask to join.
Correct.
Instagram and Facebook.
Also, you got to make sure that you answer correct the first time.
Yes.
You can't edit your comment. It has to be the first time you're guessing and it's the correct answer.
Yes. And one guess only.
Shauna.
You cannot guess a million times trying to win.
Right.
You've tried already. But all right, so it's going to be exciting. So the first person to post the right island on the next post coming out on Instagram and Facebook will win a $50 gift card. So, you guys ready?
I think they are.
All right, let's have some fun.
Good luck.
Stay tuned.